Well, guess we'll be tearing this apart. Didn't quite like how it sounded. I was trying to find a little bit less noise out of this deal. But now it sounds like it was about the same. Couldn't find my charging end, so I had to plug it into there. Yeah, fun. Well, let's see how this is going to work out. Hopefully this will work out smooth. Nothing works out smooth anymore, does it? Here. And I hope it works. If it stays, it'll be good. You watch the whole entire bit. As you can tell, I've already pulled the fins back so I can extract the core, which I'll do by undoing all these. Yeah, the slow way. I'm sure I'll cut this portion of the video out. Put my screws in there. It's been fun, I guess you could say. Man doesn't want to come out. Need some persuasion. Here we go. Guess I might have stripped that one out or something. Bend these fins back. I should do that as I go. Obviously, this was pre-drilled. Or I drilled the holes prior to getting her done. This is not exactly the best disassembly video in the universe, because my hands are in the way majority of the time. Some screws cooperate more than others also. I'm not going to be fully disassembling this unit piece of randomness, but pretty well just going to take this outer shell off, probably do some modifications and round to this piece. Yeah, bend the fins back. Now the core is loose. Obviously I don't have to pull it out that side, but if I wanted to, I could. Whoa, I knocked that over. I guess I'll have to. Yeah. So pretty well. This is the part I'm not so happy with. It doesn't deaden sound as much as I wanted it to. I tried a kind of a clip over the end kind of deal. Maybe it'd hold it in, but I figured there'd be a little bit too much rattle for it. than necessary anyway. Dang, I don't remember putting this many screws in here. Just bend the fins out. And that's the internal core. Just the can that's flared out and fit over this end. And this is how I got a flat piece bent into a tube. Just cut it into eighths, well, ninths I guess. It's a double up there. This piece. I just kind of bent it all into shape, drilled 4 spots, and shoved it in from this side. After all that was done, bent everything to at least as much as I could out this way. Well, I could have done a lot more than that, but I wanted to get this done. Of course, finished it, and it took about a week and a half to actually do any testing with it. And put these screws in. If I haven't said that already, kind of had to flare the tube out a hair bit to fit over the muffler prior. But I'm not going to be pulling this piece off at all. And it's pretty well this can here. I cut a hole in it, if you can see there, and I shoved this piece in there up to where I cut. I cut evenly around there, and then I guess I snipped off some here because I guess I didn't need it. Something. I'll probably rebuild one fresh and do something similar. Different core though. Nope. That's the disassembly of this one. Sure, you can probably follow the reassembly. Roughly. Cut one of these. Make sure you can get them as evenly spaced as possible. Flip the ends over, maybe ½ inch or more. Otherwise it wouldn't hold too well. Slip it onto the can. Obviously it's not the way it goes, but slip it onto the can and then drill the holes through it and attach it. Slide it into here and slide it into here. Bend these flaps over and get 1 or 2 holes started. After bending it over, put 2 screws in and then you can drill the rest of it. But prior to any of that, you do still have to cut these roughly about the same size. You don't have to cut them the same size, but it works. Well, that's about the end of this video. Maybe when I install the modifications, I'll do some video of that, or at least do some video of the finished product anyway. That should be it.